Okay, when we're expanding brackets, brackets mean multiply. So expand, there's going to be no brackets left in your answer. And then simplify fully at the end of your question. Right, I have 3 examples here. So our first one, this means you're multiplying this whole bracket by 3. So 3 multiplied by everything in the brackets. So we go 3 by x, 3x, and then 3 by 2 is a positive 6. Notice I use 2 different colors. I use 2 different colors, so I know there's going to be 2 parts in my answer. Right, if we move to number 2, x times x, x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. Same thing, notice I use 2 colors, so there's 2 parts to my answer, the minus 3x and the x squared. Then our last one, 4x times 2x. Remember, number by number. 4 times 2 is 8. Letter by letter, x times x, x squared. Then our second part, 4x times minus 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So number by number, letter by letter, there's an x there. And then sign by sign, a positive by a negative gives me a negative. 2 colors, so there's 2 parts of my final answer. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video, try the questions, and then come back to go through our answers together. Okay, so you should have done the questions now which you're working out. So we'll start with question 1. So 4 by x, 4x, and then 4 by 5 is 20, so a positive 20, plus 20. Don't forget that plus sign in the middle. The number 2, x by 2x. Number by number, x is the same as 1x, so 1 times 2 is 2, x times x, x squared. X times minus 4 is minus 4x. Then number 3, be careful here of the minus sign out here, so we are doing minus 2x times 5x. Number by number, 5 times 2 is 10. Letter by letter, x times x, x squared. Sign by sign, minus and a plus is a minus. So minus 10x squared. And your second part, minus 2x times minus 6. Number by number, 2 times 6 is 12. Letter by letter, there's only an x there. And sign by sign, minus and a minus gives you a plus. So that is your final answer. You cannot simplify this further because there's an x squared and an x. They don't group together because they're different.